Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students.
Ma'am, how can I improve my vocabulary?
That's a question very often asked by students. I always tell them what to do, but they don't seem to be serious about the question.
Why do you say so, ma'am?
Because no sooner had I given my advice than it was forgotten or ignored. That's my experience.
But we are asking you this in all seriousness. We want you to advise us. Please.
Well, I am never tired of giving advice. Let me tell you what to do. Please be serious about the work you are going to do.
Yes, ma'am. I will do anything to improve my vocabulary.
First of all, I want you to understand that learning a long list of words is not the way to improving one's vocabulary.
Yes, I know that memorizing words alone doesn't help.
You have to make a conscious effort to build up your knowledge of words. A word may have several meanings. You have to be familiar with the most common meanings of common words. The problem comes with unfamiliar words, though they will also become part of your active vocabulary as you learn them.
How do I learn them?
Start reading some books, newspapers, and magazines. If you don't understand the meaning of a word, look it up in the dictionary. Study its meaning in the context in which the word is used. Do you know how to use a dictionary?
Yes, ma'am, but the problem comes when there are several meanings given.
Look at the context of a word, that is, the words that go before and after it. Those words tell you the situation in which it is used. If you are careful, you can easily find out which particular meaning suits the context. That is the meaning of the word in that particular sentence. Your reading will be slow, but that is the only way to learn words.
Yes, ma'am, now I understand.
It is not enough if you find out its correct meaning. You will forget it. So keep an exercise book specially for the purpose. Copy out the sentence in which the unfamiliar word occurs. Underline the word and note its meaning also in the book.
Why copy the sentence, ma'am?
Because that sentence will tell you how to use that particular word. In English, usage is very important. Sometimes it tells you the preposition that goes with that word to get a particular meaning. If the dictionary has given another sentence using the word, copy that also. Then make your own sentences in the same pattern. This practice will fix the word, its meaning, and its usage in your mind. Make a conscious effort to increase your vocabulary.
I will follow your advice. I will do that. How many words can I learn like that?
Make it a regular habit to read, and then you will learn at least 4 or 5 words a day.
Won't I forget them as and when I learn them?
No, what you should do is to discuss these words with your friends. In turn, you will also learn more words from your friends also. This will implant them deeply in your mind so that they will not be forgotten.
I will certainly do as you have advised me.
You see, it is not easy work, but there is no shortcut to improving your vocabulary. A funny thing is, once you learn a new word, you will come across the same word again very soon. Then it is no longer a new word to you. You understand the meaning in no time. That will be the beginning of the realization of your achievement.
Ma'am, I will also get another friend of mine to do the same thing so that we can discuss the new words every day.
That's fine. Remember also to use the words learnt when you get a chance. If you can do that, it shows you are able to recall them readily. Words are your medium of expression with which you communicate your thoughts, ideas, and needs to others.
Ma'am, I can't tell you how grateful I am to you. It's very kind of you, ma'am.
Don't mention it. You are always welcome. But please don't forget to tell me about the progress you have made when you meet me next time.
Definitely, ma'am.